When she was arraigned in court Tuesday evening before the Anti-Corruption Court, the Deputy Chief Justice did not take plea and was released on a 5 million shillings bond. While she was to take plea today, her lawyers had hatched a plot to block the plea taking on legal technicalities. Their argument that the abuse of office charges are in the purview of a Judicial Service Commission, whose responsibility under Article 172 of the Constitution is, among others, to receive complaints against, investigate and remove from office or otherwise discipline registrars, magistrates, other judicial officers and other staff of the judiciary.
That's not right. We don't comment on matters that are in court. The DPP informed me. Yes. So let's leave it at that.
On the allegation that she had obtained the execution of a security belonging to Imperial Bank Limited by false pretense, the lawyers argued that only the commercial courts had jurisdiction on cases of such nature. So what does the Constitution say? Article 172, subsection 1 states that the Judicial Service Commission shall promote and facilitate the independence and accountability of a judiciary and the efficient, effective and transparent administration of justice, and with respect to matters like the one facing Philomena Mwilu, shall appoint, receive complaints against, investigate and remove from office or otherwise discipline registrars, magistrates, other judicial officers and other staff of the judiciary. Article 168, which largely deals with the removal of a judge of a Supreme Court, on the other hand, in Clause 1, states that a judge of a Superior Court may be removed from office only on grounds of inability to perform the functions of office arising from mental or physical incapacity, a breach of a code of conduct prescribed for judges of a Superior Court by an Act of Parliament, bankruptcy, incompetence, or gross misconduct or misbehavior. Clauses 2, 3, and 4 outline the process of removing or disciplining a judge who has offended the provisions of Clause 1. However, according to the article, only the Judicial Service Commission can begin the process of investigations, either through information in their possession or a petition to the Commission. The case facing Mwilu, however, was investigated by the Directorate of Criminal Investigations.
I have concluded that the evidence is sufficient with a reasonable prospect of conviction, and it is in the public interest that criminal proceedings should be preferred.
Judge Chacha Mwita, in issuing the temporary orders, concurred with Mwilu's lawyers that they had raised weighty issues and would dispense with the matter on the 9th of October. Though the Chief Justice remains tight-lipped on the circumstances that led to the arrest of his deputy on corruption allegations, what is undeniable, however, is the fact that her arrest as well as arraignment in court is likely to precipitate a crisis in the Judicial Service Commission, where she is a member, as well as the Supreme Court, bearing that she is the Deputy President of a Supreme Court. John Jacob Curia, Channel 1 News.